That's not a cage.
That's the front cage.
That's just your corner.
4, 5.
What are you doing, Maya?
I'm picking them up. I'm recycling.
You are recycling. Do you like to recycle?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Here's another one.
There's another one.
What's that noise?
I don't know. Where are you going? I thought you were recycling.
What was that? What's that noise?
I don't know. Mommy didn't hear a noise.
I see the Mr. with Papa.
Did you see? What else did you see with Papa?
I see the flower with Papa.
Aww. Was that nice?
Yeah. I can find another one.
What did you find?
I found another one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Wow, you're recycling a lot. You're very environmentally conscious.
I don't want to recycle.
Well, that's not environmentally conscious.
No. Where's my recycling man?
I don't know. He's probably in one of your toy chests. Oh no, oh dear.
Apple to his tail.
No, let Mommy see.
Okay.
There we go. You should push right in the middle.
I'm doing it. I'm doing.
Yeah, try right there.
Where's my recycling driver?
I don't know. I'll have to go find your driver. I think he's in one of your toy bins.
I can find it. I don't want to recycle.